Secure side sections with Grip-Tuth combs to create this classic style. With the teeth facing upwards, comb up a side section above your ear about the same width as the comb. When you get to the top, or where you'd like to secure the section, flip the comb so the teeth are facing downwards. Push downwards to secure the comb and grip the hair in place. Gently brush the remaining side section into your hair. Repeat for the other side. Comb the side section upwards, then flip the comb so the teeth are facing down and push downwards to secure, gently incorporating hair together. A classic style with Grip-Tuth side combs. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.